they didn't get a chance to fulfill. Jesus. And I want us to remember that. But anyway, I've been in ministry now 40 years. 40 years. And nobody believes me. Nobody believes me. You know why? Because I still dance. You know why? Because I still take it to the hoop. You know why? At 62. At 62. Come on. This is how we do it. Boom! At 62. Mm-hmm. So let me give you the new song called HATERATION. I was blind, but now I see. You want to take the country back? I got something for that. That's me on the guitar now.
Hateration destroys nations. Hateration creates distractions and evil temptations. Hateration don't help nobody. Hateration don't help nobody. Hateration don't help nobody. Hateration don't help nobody. Hateration like a full-blown pandemic. Yo, we need a vaccine. Hateration don't help nobody. Hateration don't help nobody. Hateration don't help nobody. Hateration don't help nobody. Hateration, it's gonna kill us all. If we keep it up, it's gonna be our human downfall. Hateration, it's gonna kill us all. To all nations, don't you let it be your downfall. Hateration, white racism, black genocide in America and African nations. Hateration, don't help nobody. Hateration, don't help nobody. Hateration, don't help nobody. Hateration, don't help nobody. I need some spiritual prayer words that about it. I need some spiritual prayer words, ain't no doubt about it. I need them now. I need them right now. Prayers up, it's time to shut the devil down. Prayers up, what we gonna do? Come on, prayer words, yo, I'm talking to you. Help us save our nation. Help us save our nation. Help us save our nation from this haterization. God have mercy.
This public service announcement is brought to you by Church in the Hood, the Faith and Hip Hop for Life movement, baby.
Y'all give Lady Jam a hand.